Good evening all. Welcome to another Play Chess called Banter Blitz. So hi Gabriel Jimenez, hi Matthew Harrison, hi all on stream. I'll start a few minutes early. I'll make myself a bit smaller because there's a certain amount of fuzziness I've noticed in the background. There's something to do with the lighting. Okay, so anyway, more of that beautiful relaxing background. So we're going to play some bullet chess here. Yeah, let's stick in a bullet game now. High rated opponent start over. Pre-move. I was a bit worrying that night. Move. Okay. Can I get some sort of attack going? Maybe knight d3 if bishop takes. Oh, okay. This I got to stop knight f5. Really? Not there. Maybe a rook. Lift of some sort. I've got to be careful. f6. Maybe f6 is an idea. I'll sack the exchange. I don't mind 96. I'm just going to sack the exchange there. Central control, I think, is important here. And that H file attack. Oh, that was weird. Oh, how weird. Setting that. Oh, that was not clever. Oh, that was a bit of a tough first game. Hi Glenn, hi RDM, hi Magnus Carlson. Someone with a nickname, hi Paul Whitfield. Okay, that was a tough game, wasn't it? For a first, it's supposed to be relaxing bullet chess. Just supposed to come here, crush a few bunnies, get out of here, yeah, unscathed. That's my dream, my secret dream. But no, tough opponent there, yeah. Hit me on the run. Had to sack the exchange. What is this? You know. So bishop f5. There was a question about Lula affecting my playing style. Yeah, hopefully. More. Oh, did I just move? No, I didn't. Oh, this guy's actually pretty quick as well. He's not that far down on the clock, is he? Oh, hang on. This is a bit awkward. No, I've just gone into G4, haven't I? My pits! I just went into G4 there. Please, 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 try and stay awake. I'm talking to myself. Stay awake. Oh. He's got that B5 square now. What is this? Positional play? Bullet chess positional play? Oh. Okay, I think this might be okay. If I can do something with this, I'll have to set the exchange again. I'd rather not lose that pawn. Okay. Oh. No. Oh, this isn't clever, is it? Oh, he had me on the run. He really had me on the run. Oh, okay. Hi, Simon from Balza. Okay. I'm not from the Bahamas, though. It's just my backdrop. I'm having fun with my green screen. Yeah, top secret. Okay. Ah, got this dangerous guy again. I think he's underrated. Yes, he did miss G4. He had G4. And this looks like very sensible play so far. Let's drive that back. Try and gain space. Space. The final frontier. Let's try and gain space. So G5. G5 and knight D5, I think. G5 and knight D5. Oh, this looks comfortable. The server's whistling to me now. It's thinking I've actually got a decent position. Yeah. Let's take the queen off. Oh, okay. B3 it is. B3. So I'm playing a kind of reverse French defense. I think this is sometimes interesting. Again, he's pretty solid. I think this is a very sensible play by him. Against my innovative attempt at an opening. Is he going to give me a G file? He's going to try to open up the queen side. Can I seal the queen side? Oh. Maybe knight E4 at some point. Or B6 and knight E4. Hang on a sec. Okay, what's happening? Try and get this H file maybe opened up. Right, there is G5, G6 on the cards here. Although I guess there's knight E3 from him. I've still got rook H7 now, as well as this diagonal looks juicy though. Check looks juicy, very juicy. Yeah, we mate after King G8. Okay, King G8, Queen H8. Serious question. When I was improving, how much time did chess take over the day today? I think I'm different to most chess players because I started programming before I was into chess around about the same time. I've always felt when you lose, you should try and maximize what you profit out of any loss. Try and abstract from any loss, any more general lessons, which leads to other types of losses. So it's almost as if you're training a neural network of yourself, and as long as you try and get the maximum out of each loss, I think that leads to more efficient use of time. But I don't like one-day games that much. I mean, hence I haven't played that much FIDE. But in general, club chess, I think one has to try and learn from the losses as much as possible, you know. Which I know sounds probably very sensible, but maybe sometimes people are a bit too specific about how they lose, and maybe try and get like the more general lessons sometimes when one loses. Okay, so here we have this bullets game where I don't know, my queen side is getting a bit shaky. Is he going to try and? He's going to try and hack me to death. Oh, hang on. I'm already in trouble, aren't I? This knight a7 to c6 was on the cards.
Yes.
I think he had I've only got 9 seconds. Hang on a sec. I got to start moving here, guys. 7. Can I do this?
Yes. Yes.
Faster. Oh, I nearly ran out of time. There. Oh, was I chatting too much? That was getting scary on the clock. That really was. These guys are getting faster and faster. They're getting faster and faster. Equal pegging on the clock at the moment, but is he blundering a centre pawn or not really? Not really. Oh, there's queen b2. Oh, there's queen b2. Okay, knight e2 on queen b2. Yeah, rook f8 is a bit scary. Oh, why did I give up that centre pawn? Wait, let me... Trying to make me on f1 there. That was naughty. What is this? And stop bishop g5. Oh, I'm under a bit of pressure. Okay, I'm losing a2 of check. Let's try and avoid that being check. Let's try and... Oh, hang on. Am I just losing this ending? So I'm a pawn down for not much. Yeah, this is really tough. This is really tough. I think he bought it. Plays black in the next game. Maybe g4. Maybe d4 was threatened there. Well, it still is. Maybe f4 is on the cards. Not yet. I wonder rookie 8. Okay, f5 is an issue now. Okay, f4. I take eventually on d4 though, don't I? Try and weaken these dark squares a bit more. Oh. There's rookie 6, isn't there? Yeah, I think he had rookie 6. That would have been a nuisance. Okay, yeah, rookie 6. Yes, multi-attacking scheme. Hi Ozo Shatrang, hi Ivan, Stanislavik. Sorry, I've just butchered your name, sorry. I tried, okay. Sorry, okay, f5 maybe. Hang on. Oh, there was rook h5. I was trying to play rook h5. I had rook h5 there. Oh, muppets. Alright, anyway, d5 is vulnerable. Rook h5 would be a great shot coming up. Potentially. Rook h5 and knight f was, with that diagonal being open. I'm down on the clock as well. Okay, still rook h5 is very dangerous, I believe. Uh-huh. So, that's d4. I'll blast up this diagonal. Undermine this whole pawn chain if I need to break this bishop out of the prison that it's in. Can I get this bishop out and about on this diagonal? Queen f6, queen h6, queen h6 is a bit dangerous. Rook g6 for queen h8. Yeah, I had to break that bishop out of the prison. Okay. Oh, hang on. That might not be too clever so far. I think my knight needs to go there. Try and seal the centre, close the centre. Oh, I've landed this check. That's silly. I should have just cancelled the queen side. I think I was overexcited by something there. Anyway, the G file's okay at the moment. I'm trying to put the king on C2 or something. Right, G2 needs to be covered though. I wonder rook h2. Okay, it's quite dangerous. Oh, CD for bishop a6 is on the cards. But there's rook g2. I don't know if that changes the picture. There's bishop e2. I hope. I'll just put the king on over here. A2. No, there isn't rook G2. What am I talking about? Well, there soon will be. Let's stop rook G2 here. Try and control my second rank with rook C2. On knight B5. Right. Yes. Okay. Hi, Howie, Ewo. So, right. I'll try again. 1 minute. What flag is that? Dominican Republic. That's a nice flag. Take that. Try and hold on to the material. Maybe not too much. Yeah, I know. This is silly, isn't it? I don't want him to have too much piece activity, so I was trying to think about that as well. Maybe back to E3. There's no knight G4. Blockade on E3. Just to put a lock and key on his position if I can. That's not happening. It's put me on the defensive. Okay, let's check. Give us C4. Knight C3. Pin. Alright, that helps. Alright, yeah, that was getting a bit dangerous. Martin Reeb. Okay, let's see, so 1 minute again. Or should I play a longer time control? Trying to get bullet game. But I don't know if I can. Okay. Bullet games. Alright, let's give back that pawn. Energetic play. think I can think about taking this pawn now. That's holding g4, isn't it? So try and hold that f5 square. Well, he has blocked in his bishop. What's the thing about that? That's pinned to his queen. Is it not? The knight's holding the queen. I can play knight takes. My knight's holding this queen. Right. There's knight a5 on queen takes. I can get the queens off, can I? Or not? Okay, think. And there's no c5, that's annoying. There's also knight d4, maybe queen d6 on knight d4. Bishop, I think, back just holds c6. What now? Why don't I take on e5 actually? Okay. I thought for a moment my internet went. I'm just clicking on 1 for the auto pairing. I don't. Okay. Let's see. It's maybe c4 for a bit of variety. Castling queenside. What about knight b5? Potentially. I don't want to give him peace play in a hurry. I'd rather keep things closed over there, open over here. The pawns are shielding my king. These two are shielding my king a bit. And he's not using them to open the lines. So if I open the centre here, with his king there, that should be fun. Oh, he is opening the lines. That looks a bit of a desperate attempt to open the lines there. I'm not sure this is working too well. Maybe a bit too optimistic. Okay. Maybe e4. I feel that the light squares are quite weakened in this line. For black, these light squares. That's annoying. He's covering a lot of central squares with that approach. It's quite quick. Actually, okay, I'm on c6. I thought he was going to play queen d7. I've undermined that pawn chain. Take over there. I can't do anything with this cover check, can I? Or was there knight h5? Maybe there was knight h5. Well, that wins a piece. rook g5. Okay. Oh, you play bullet, Ivan. I'm on the 1 minute. If we click 1 minute on play chess. Okay, this guy's aborting, I think. Yeah, I did abort last time, I think. I feel planless here. Oh, mind you, yeah, e6. Oh, hang on, that pawn. Bishop, that was maybe silly. No, hold on, let's careful. Careful. Right, hitting h7 and e6. So defense. Oh, he's got an answer to everything. Okay. I think I need to just speed up here. This looks like trouble, this game so far. That's a blunder, isn't it? Yeah. Carlsen's played this check and bishop e7, I noticed, in one of his games, so I'm using that. Bishop c5 is more popular. If bishop f4, I think I'd take and then take, yeah. So, am I actually threatening something like f4? Or not? No, probably not. I think you had bishop b3, yeah. Don't think this was too clever. Now this diagonal's sensitive. However, maybe there's queen h4 to think about. Bishop over here. I think rook, maybe rook f6 to swing a rook over here. Yeah, looking out for some sacrifice. Oh, didn't mean that one. I think that loses everything. Okay, no, taking and taking. Anyway, didn't have too much time there. Okay, bishop takes for knight d4. do this. Oh, he can get his pawn back. Ah, hang on. So, yeah. I suppose E6 looks aggressive. There's a knight, maybe the knight takes. Let's get the queens off. So the back row mate was probably a lot better than losing all my pieces to be a rook down. Yeah, I think the back row mate was a bit better than this interesting combination. Dear oh dear. Don't tell me he's not his time's not going. I think I got well carried away with rook f2. If we just rewind this, I had a back row mate in one. I thought then rook f2, because then there's still a back row mate. He did this, which I totally ignored, and played this check anyway. So that was a bit, yeah, a bit off target, that game. He's aligning his pieces for the attack. Can I get rid of this alignment, so to speak? This for knight g6. Oh, he just takes. Oh, that's silly. Oh, he just takes. Ouch. He didn't. Okay. Try and undouble, but create some more exploitable weaknesses, I hope, than those double pawns. Trying to get alignment. It's the theme of today. Alignment on g7. Rook g7 already. Some dangers. Maybe not. Oh, okay, time pressure there. Yeah, I thought that sack was interesting, just to confuse him. Okay, let's accept a rematch. He plays another game. Okay, I'll maybe make this the last game. cover this e4 square. Okay, he's doing well so far. And that could be a bit dodgy for the F file. This rook. Okay. Let's not spend too long on this. Yeah. Actually, there's C7, isn't there? C7 check.
Yes.
Alright, I think I'm off. Okay. Yeah, that was a little fun session. See you next week. Okay, I hope you enjoyed that. Thanks so much. Thanks for coming. Cheers then.